here's my air conditioner blower running right now. From the indoor view, I actually turned on the air conditioner. Sorry if you heard another noise here. That was the water heater. But yeah, here it is. This is gonna be a startup shutdown. I just put the filter back in because it needs to be in there. So you're not gonna be able to see the blower. But yeah, you can see some stuff, and there's all the ducts work. 2012, 2.5 ton. If you want to see inside, I'll show you for a brief bit. Right here. There it is, right there. There's the blower. So yeah. Yeah. Thank you for watching. No for now. Let's get the shutdown now. This takes a little bit of spin.